Is your Amazon Fire Stick remote not responding? This is actually a very common issue that affects over 40% of Fire Stick users. The first thing to check is your batteries. Weak or dead batteries account for approximately 70% of all remote problems. Replace them with fresh AAA alkaline batteries. Next, check your distance and positioning. Fire Stick remotes use Bluetooth technology, which has limited range. Make sure you're within 10 feet of your Fire Stick with no obstructions blocking the signal. Electronic interference can also disrupt your remote's signal. Move or turn off nearby devices that could cause problems, such as microwave ovens, wireless speakers, or wireless phones. If a recent software update occurred, this could be causing the issue. As a temporary solution while troubleshooting, you can use the Fire TV app on your smartphone as a remote control. If basic troubleshooting didn't work, the next step is repairing your remote. Start by holding the home button for 10 to 20 seconds until you see the LED light flash. If repairing doesn't work, try a power cycle. Unplug your Fire Stick from its power source and wait for 60 seconds. This clears the device's memory and can resolve connection issues. For more stubborn issues, try button combination resets. There are 3 different combinations depending on your remote model. Hold the buttons for the specified time, then remove the batteries. After the button combination, follow these steps. Plug the Fire Stick back in, wait for the home screen to appear, reinsert the batteries, and hold the home button again to repair the remote. If all else fails, you can perform a factory reset. This will erase all your settings and downloaded content, but it often resolves persistent remote issues. Navigate to Settings and select Reset to Factory Defaults. If remote issues persist, consider alternative control methods. Use the Fire TV app on your smartphone as a temporary remote, or check if your TV supports HDMI CEC to control the Fire Stick with your TV remote.